What's up, YouTubers? Daniel here. Today is the launch day for the all-new Freefly Systems ALTA X. As the drone butler, newly promoted drone concierge / test pilot here at Freefly, I'm proud to say I have more flight time on the ALTA X than anyone on Earth. But that will soon change as this quickly becomes the workhorse of the film and industrial drone markets. Oh, it's so big, so powerful. Lock the booms in place. We just got back from a trip to British Columbia, Canada, where we shot the launch film for this big boy. I'm gonna do a quick test flight now, and I hope you enjoy this video. Here we are in Vancouver, day one of the ALTA X launch film.
We're on our way to Peacemaker Filmworks to shoot some wild robot nonsense with ALTA X.
No one's gonna know what wild robot nonsense.
Well, they're gonna find out.
You see it? You now have the largest collection of ALTA X's in the world. I know, I just walked in and I was like, whoa!
We are doing robot shoot, Kira. Set up the track already. Robot's coming out in a second. We're getting a long one-take move on the ALTA, and then we're doing a bunch of quick punch moves at 1,000 frames a second. And that's the day one plan, hopefully.
So we're setting up the Flex 4K on the Kira arm, and right now I'm putting the Fizz motors on for focus, zoom, and iris. And that's about it. Everything's set up. The camera is all initialized, the robot's initialized, and now we're just mounting everything so that way we can control it through the motorized precision software, and then do all the crazy moves.
It's like when I'm movie operating.
You ain't got shit on us.
I'm jamming. You're rocking out. Is that how we test our straps?
That's not how we test our strap. This is how we test our straps.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, God! Oh.
Chris Wiseman started the very first aerial filming company in Canada. And he started with these things, bolting cameras onto these, trying to get shots. So it was kind of in the early days, sort of when Tab was getting going with it.
That's how we know you guys are legit, because you started with this stuff and not Inspires.
No, you gotta learn how to fly these first. You gotta go through the pain of this and just, you know, have the fear of God in your eyes.
We're running the same move on the Kira robot arm, and we're swapping out the payload every time we do the move. But in the edit, we want to be able to cut it up so it looks like it's a continuous move. The different payloads switching in every 2 seconds or something like that. Jiminy Christmas! This is really hot right now. Wrapping up day one. We got some great shots today with the Kira robot arm. We're wrapping up and we're heading to location tomorrow. So looking forward to the actual location shots.
Okay, everybody ready? Maybe. Wait, it's already halfway.
That's the hard mark right there.
Will, what's your final count?
40.
40. Brent?
33.
46.
46.
31.
31.
Tab, 35.
Hugh?
I think it was at 9 or 10.
Would you call this hashtag dialed?
Hashtag pro level. Yeah.
Daniel, did you bring the jigsaw so we can cut out around the shape of the truck and then really get it to would be really fun. Key right in?
Dragging all the Phantom stuff down to the boat so we can take it out to the shoot location.
We're prepping to go on some boats so we can fly over the ocean.
Before we start any shoot, we all do a cold plunge to clear our minds. You're supposed to jump in after I say that.
Oh, is the camera rolling?
Well, we brought extra people so we could afford to lose up to 10% of the crew in high-risk situations like this crossing.
That's safety planning.
Setting up this Flex 4K for some crazy drone takeoffs. Got the 45-250 on it.
It's also nice because there's like absolutely zero wind, so it feels like you're flying in a flight simulator.
So we're mounting the 360 cam to ALTA X. It's gonna be great.
Phantom VO ALTA X 4K 1000 frames a second. Pat's gonna be hovering out there with his show chopper with the big lovely lens and the Alexa Mini, and then he'll be here just like dawdling, and I'll be like, and then at the last minute he's gonna go whoosh, and then that's when we'll trigger the Phantom so we get whoosh. 3, 2, 1, go Pat. Whoa, that's so cool. Look how close we are. Sure. Oh, that is sweet. That's beautiful.
Well, we're gonna do a little boat DTU action, from drone to drone, but from a boat, so that we can have like perfect side tracking beside each other.
We're gonna get on that boat by crawling on that air mattress. Get some leading, get some following, get some profile, get some climbing, get some chasing, get some zooming. Sometimes in the morning, I'll wake up early and I'll think, oh, I'm sleepy. How will I wake myself up? And I'll go, oh, I know, Starbucks, pomegranate, spritzer, refresher, juicy drink. Phantom VO, top mount. Drone Butler just prepped this beautiful package and it's ready for flight. Actually, we've decided you upgraded to Drone Concierge.
Ooh, I like that.
It's very formal. we're wrapping up from the beach and we're about to go to Squamish. That was so good.
And Tab was like, slow down, and I'm like, hell no, we're not slowing down.
I was like, yeah, this is like a nice slow establishing shot, Pat.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.